To read write, I would just do chmod. This is the chmod command. It's going to change permissions. I'll do chmod 664 or 66. Well, now we're not going to do that. No, sir. Not on my watch. We're going to change the number, my guy. We're going to allow everybody to just, let's say they can read and execute 665. No boy. All right. So we're going to do chmod 665 on this file. I'm going to hit the up arrow a few times. And now you can see we can still read write. We can still read, the group can still read write. And then read and execute is set for everyone now. Let's say we want to give everyone full permission. You can do chmod 777. That's full permission. You can read, write, execute.